mga Cardaps! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, today's video, nandito tayo sa seremonya ng pag-iisang dibdib. Watch this. Welcome to Rona and Ray's wedding.
I love it. Hello, beautiful. Hello, God bless me. Hello. Hello, Ben. Congrats, Ben.
Darling! Ito talaga yung pang ballroom talaga.
Pero pwede naman mag-video.
Pwede naman po. Darling!
Hello, Pangaya. Basta.
And a pretty lady.
Hello po. Congrats and welcome to the world. World of happiness.
Ano ba yung
World of happiness.
Ang sexy naman ng ating bride. So, ayan o. Oh, diba, Pak? Gunner. Namiss ko talaga si
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Ulit na lang ako. Ayan na palang kanyang pag-ibig. So, ayan, picture taking and kain-kain. So, ayun na lang ang aming naabutan mga Cardaps. And ang cute ng kanyang mga giveaways. Ang cute. Simple and elegant. Ayan. So, ang saya-saya naman mga Cardaps.
First up, please welcome the Godfather and the Godmother, Nino Carlo and Ina G, with a heartfelt speech. Let's all give them a round of applause.
So, Ronan Ray, congratulations on tying the knot today. Finally, the TikTok girl has taken a break from dancing TikTok. She took time out to finally take a break from trending dances to say I do to Ray. And Ray, honestly, is not just a wife, but also a uprising TikToker. So anyway, may your life together be filled with endless laughter, love, and maybe the occasional viral couples challenge. It's a TikTok. So wishing you both a lifetime of happiness, and hopefully you've got the Wi-Fi to upload your TikTok videos. Congratulations again.
Akala ko kasi, lumalit kasi yan eh, nag-video lang. Totoo palang magiging inang ako. Kasi naman si Rona, napakabalahura. Sinawa naman ang mag-aakala, kaya balahura ka, tuwing pupunta sa shop, kukunin ka ninang. Tapos, na isang araw tumawag, pwede ba kung prepare ka ng speech mo? Sabi ko, ganun, may speech pa. Tapos tumawag ulit. Pwede bang ikaw lang sa prayer? Prayer ako. Tapos kahapon nag-text. Kinakabahan na ako. Baka sabihin, pwede mo mag-MC ka na rin. Kaya sabi ko, talaga naman itong babaeng to. So actually, gusto ko naman maging seryoso sa araw ng kasal niya. Kaya naghanda naman ako ng speech ko. Okay. First, let me say, how honored I am to be standing here today as your principal sponsor. Rona, meeting you through my skincare shop, Alpinayon, was one of the life's sweetest surprises. Your bright smile, infectious laughter, and jolly nature turned what could have been an ordinary professional relationship into a true friendship. So, doon kami nagsimula kasi sa shop. Over time, we became more than client and shop owner. We became friends, partners in chills, and sharers of good vibes. Alam mo si Rona, pag pumunta yan sa shop, wag sinabi ko, pwede mag-TikTok ka. TikTok agad dyan. Lagi na ako pinagbibigyan. Today, seeing you as a radiant bride, I couldn't be prouder of the beautiful beautiful soul you are and the love you found with Ray. I know you're the perfect partner for Rona, someone who matches her joy, supports her dreams, and treasures her for the gem she truly is. As you step into this new chapter of your lives, I want to share a few thoughts. Marriage is like skincare. It needs consistency. Just like skincare, a strong marriage needs daily commitment. The little things you do for each other, kindness, patience, and support add up to a lifetime of love. Remember, consistency is the key.
Ayan, finally, cheers na tayo mga Cordabs para sa bagong kasal. Congratulations, Ray and Rona. May God bless you both. Naway patuloy na si Lord ang maging center sa
Let's
inyo.
raise our glasses to our
God
newly
bless. Love you
We all
both.
wish you the best.
God bless you, Rona and Ray.
Unforgettable one, and let's all give ourselves a round of applause.
And now, ayan ang hinihintay ko. Ang ganda ng cake. I love it. Wow, cutting of the cake ng mga Cordabs. Grabe, natikman ko yan. Ang sarap. I love it. Ang sarap kasi talaga ng mga Cordabs. Nung pagkagawa, meron kasing maganda lang ang outside. Pero inside di masarap. Pero yan, ang sarap. I love it. Ayan, may papanoorin lang sila sa screen mga Cordabs kasi yung kanilang mga loved ones na hindi naka-attend sa wedding dito sa New Zealand, so papanoorin nila. And now the first dance of the bride and the groom. Ayan, alisin natin yung sounds kasi delikado na naman tayong mahuhuli tayo ng pulis. Bawal naman kasi ang ating tugtog na naman. Magagalit ni naman si Haring Whitey. Si Lolo ba? Kaya alisin natin sounds para di tayo makakita.
And I'm Pia signing off.
Ito ang pinaka-best part na. Ang kainan. Ang daming handa nila. Grabe. I love it. Thank you so much. Talaga. God bless. Ayan, mga Cordab. Sorry talaga, Rona and Ray. Inalis ko talaga ang background ng music. Alam mo na, makakapi na naman tayo dyan. Baka ma-mute pagka, mas mabuti na tong mag-voice over na lang ako kaysa mawalan din naman ng sounds, di ba? Tapos holy pa ma-restrict. So, okay na
Namiss ko
yan.
talaga si
Ayun na, I
Rona.
love
Grabe, di
it.
ko akalaan meron na siyang new life chapter ba sa buhay. But that's really fine. That's life.
Go, Arken.
So, ayan, witness kami sa kanyang buhay at naway pagpalaan sila ng
Di ako
Panginoon.
nakakahiya. Ayan. Flower. Ano ba tawag dyan? Ano ba tawag niya na? Limutan ko talaga. Pero ito na talaga ang the best. Oh, makakatch na talaga ni Agot. Siya na talaga ang next. Oh my God. Congratulations. Agot, you're the next. Inutusan ko talaga naman si si Rona. Joke-joke lang yan, darling. But if in God's perfect time, you're the next Ate Agot. God bless. Thank you. At ito na nga mga Cordabs. Tapos na. Ito talaga ang role ko for today's video. Joke lang mga Cordabs. And tumulong din tayo syempre. Diyan naman tayo expert ang magwalis at maglinis. Ay, thank you so much. God bless sa bagong kasal. God bless Rona and Ray. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Thank you for inviting also me. God bless.